Good morning everyone. So welcome to our YouTube channel. So for today's videos guys is we are going to be flight going in Thailand, Bangkok with my Habibi loves. So nilalakad na po namin guys papunta doon sa boarding area kung saan kami mag-boarding. I love. Where are you going? Bangkok. Travel kami sa Bangkok. Punta daw kami sa Bangkok. Bye.
Small items under the seat in front of you. Thank you. Refueling completed. Magandang umaga po. Ito po ang AirAsia Flight C2285 patungong
Anna and Bianca. We'd like to welcome you aboard Air Asia Flight Z2285 bound for Don Juan International Airport. Yeah, for the company, I would like to apologize for the disruption of the flight due to aircraft allocation. And for brief flight information, our flight towards our destination is approximately 3 hours and 10 minutes, traveling a total distance of 1,320 nautical miles.
Bye Philippines. See you again Bangkok. Bye bye.